Meaning of folks.
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 Folks. Folks is an informal term used to refer to people in general, especially those who are considered friendly or familiar. It is often used as a synonym for people or friends. The word has a connotation of warmth and familiarity, suggesting that the individuals being referred to are part of a close-knit community. This term is commonly used in casual conversation and in literature to create a sense of connection between the author or speaker and their audience or characters. Overall, folks is a friendly and inclusive term that emphasizes the social aspect of human relationships.